Hey guys and gals, this is Ruben with her Overland in Yukon. Just want to give you an overview of my wife's 95 GMC Yukon. We're here at Monache Meadows, however you want to pronounce it. And I thought, people were telling me too, hey, you should put this on YouTube. People get, it looks nice, you should put this on. I said, yeah, who really wants to really see this? And since I did get a lot of good ideas from YouTube, I thought, I'll just give back. That right there is a fill port for the onboard shower system we have. I really don't think showing out the bumper is the quick connect for the shower hose. Take that cover off and plug the shower hose into it so we can take a hot shower. There's a tank right there. Stainless steel tank with a red surrounding. I made a skid plate for it too. A rock, whatever you kind of call it, rock guards. Little white dot right there is our backup camera. Because Lord knows you need something like that with a bigger truck, especially when it's packed. You can't see out the back into somebody. I made this gas cover, this gas lid cover. Because everything else is so just, all the same. So I want something different. She made that cover for it. Made those little rocks, those rock panel things right there. Here's the inside. I made that center console out of the same material that's on the door. Well, half of it. There's the switches. One's for the pump. Well, they're both for the pumps. One for the shower, one for the circulating pump. The antenna for the reach. The inside antenna. The screen we use for the backup camera. And there's the tank gauges. The top one is for the tank level. The bottom one's for the temperature of the water. So I know what temperature it is, so I don't scold the crap out of myself. I made these engine vents, because this thing it's a beast, so it does get warm under there. And the cooler it gets, the better off the engine is. Same with those. I made those so the more air go through, but no mud. Don't get up in the engine bay. Let me take you around and show you the roof rack I made. I made this rack because, it's hard to find something for these 95s. So everything you have to probably fabricate. There's not a lot of aftermarket parts. And plus, I wanted something kind of different. Cuckoo, dude. And that's kind of us, just floating around, chilling, enjoying life. So cuckoo to you all. This is the outside antenna for the reach. Again, cuckoo. I try to paint those as the Healy monsters, but yeah, I'm colorblind. Let me show you the engine bay. That's a beautiful view of Monache Meadows. The weather's crazy out here though. That's where I hold all the relay pods. fuse box. I made that thing to hold all the relays because there's kind of quite a few relays in this that we have set up. Onboard air compressor. I made that bracket underneath it so I can hold the compressor in place right there, so I can still work on the engine at the same time. If you have any questions or anything like that, and how I got it, or what I did, post it in the comments below, and I'll for sure get back to you. There's the heat exchanger for the shower. Aluminum radiator. Once again, everything to try to keep the engine cooler as we can. We take it on long distances, so the better off, the cooler it is, the better off we kind of are. Well, there you guys have it, folks. Tell me what you think at the bottom. Tell me what you think of the comments. It's my wife's 95 GMC Yukon. All right, guys.